Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Verbal disaster declaration issued for avian flu outbreak in Weld County, Colorado. Lieutenant Governor Dianne Primavera issued a verbal disaster declaration for an outbreak of highly pathogenic avian influenza in Weld County. The declaration allows state agencies to coordinate response and recovery efforts. The outbreak was first announced in 2022, with a jump in cases in 2024 and a quiet 2025. A presumptive positive case was detected at an egg-laying facility in Weld County with 1.3 million chickens. Chickens at the facility have shown symptoms of avian flu, including sudden death, lack of energy, and discoloration. Residents are advised to report sick birds or unusual bird deaths, and to avoid direct contact with sick or dead poultry. The U.S. Department of Agriculture is expected to confirm the test results on Monday. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.